Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Robinhood debit card. But before we dive into the details, let me ask you a question. Have you ever found yourself wishing you could have a debit card that seamlessly integrates with your investment portfolio? If so, then you're in luck. The Robinhood debit card is a unique offering that combines the convenience of a traditional debit card with the features of a modern investment platform. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about the Robinhood debit card, including its benefits, features, and how to get one. So, let's get started. What is the Robinhood debit card? The Robinhood debit card is a Visa-branded debit card that is linked to your Robinhood investment account. This means that you can use your card to make purchases and withdrawals from your investment funds. Here are some of the key benefits of the Robinhood debit card. No annual fee. Unlike many other debit cards, the Robinhood debit card has no annual fee. 3% cash back on eligible purchases. You can earn 3% cash back on purchases made at restaurants, grocery stores, and drugstores. Free ATM withdrawals. You can withdraw cash from any ATM without paying a fee. Early access to direct deposits. You can get your direct deposits up to 2 days early. Ability to round up purchases and invest the change. You can choose to round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference in your Robinhood account. How does the Robinhood debit card work? To use the Robinhood debit card, you must first have a Robinhood investment account. Once you have an account, you can apply for a debit card through the app. Once your card is approved, you can start using it immediately. You can use your card to make purchases online, in stores, and at ATMs. How to get a Robinhood debit card? If you're interested in getting a Robinhood debit card, you can apply for one through the Robinhood app. Once you've applied, you'll need to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. You'll also need to provide a copy of your driver's license or other government-issued ID. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your debit card in the mail. Is the Robinhood debit card right for you? The Robinhood debit card is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. It offers a number of benefits, including no annual fee, 3% cash back on eligible purchases, and free ATM withdrawals. However, it's important to note that the Robinhood debit card is not for everyone. If you're looking for a card with a higher rewards rate or more travel perks, then you may want to consider another option. Overall, the Robinhood debit card is a solid choice for investors who are looking for a simple and affordable way to manage their money. In addition to the benefits I've already mentioned, the Robinhood debit card also has a number of other features that make it a unique and attractive option. For example, you can use your card to set up automatic savings transfers. This allows you to automatically transfer a portion of your income to your Robinhood investment account each month. You can also use your card to track your spending habits. The Robinhood app provides you with detailed reports on your spending, so you can see where your money is going. Finally, the Robinhood debit card is backed by Visa, which means that you can use it at millions of locations worldwide. Overall, the Robinhood debit card is a great option for investors who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. It offers a number of benefits, including no annual fee, 3% cash back on eligible purchases, and free ATM withdrawals. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy investing.